That's a great snail, Andy. But aren't snails kinda scary?
Snails aren't scary. My favorites.
Oh, but they're so slimy and... What is that?
Okay, class. This is a fire alarm, so we all have to leave the classroom. Please find your buddies. Follow Miss Shelley outside and line up in the playground.
Come on, Andy. You're my buddy, remember? Andy?
Great job, everyone. Nice and steady now. Oh,
Mrs. Martin, I think it's too loud for Andy. He needs his headphones.
good idea, Caillou. They're just over there by his backpack.
Here, Andy. This will help with the noise.
Thank you, Caillou. Now come along. We need to go to the playground. Great job, everyone. This was just a practice, but you were all very calm and did what you were told. So well done. And now, it's recess time. Have fun!
Yay! Andy? It's recess now. Do you want to play catch? I have your special ball.
Everything okay, Caillou?
Me and Andy were having a lot of fun drawing, but he doesn't want to play with me anymore.
Well, you know, Andy really doesn't like loud noises, so that fire alarm was extra scary for him.
Yeah, I get scared too sometimes when it's dark. It isn't nice.
Exactly. Just give him some time, and he'll be back to his usual self, I'm sure.
Get it away! Clementine, are you okay?
It's a snail! Ew!
Snails are slimy and scary.
Don't worry, Clementine. It's perfectly harmless. We'll move it out of the way for you now.
Snail! Cool! That's right! Snails are Andy's favorite. Can you help us get the snail away from Clementine?
Snails don't go on slides.
Ugh!
Time to go home, Snail.
Wow, that was amazing, Andy.
Yeah, you saved me.
Yes, well done, Andy. That was quick thinking. See, Caillou? The alarm may have been scary and painful for Andy because of his autism, but the snail wasn't. Everyone has things they find hard to cope with, but that's okay, because we all help each other when we struggle.
Yeah!
Caillou, catch!
Here it comes! Daddy, look! Hot dogs! Can I get one? Can I?
Sure thing, Caillou. hello there. How many hot dogs do we need, Caillou?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4, please.
No problem. Coming right up. Okay. Any sauces for you?
Can I do it, please?
Sure, kid. Here you go.
Mustard for me, please, Caillou.
I'll have ketchup.
Ketchup. Okay, mustard for Mommy. Ketchup for Rosie. I want ketchup and mustard. And ketchup for Daddy.
Well done, Caillou.
You're doing a great job.
Thanks. Whoa! Oops.
Careful, Caillou.
Sorry, Daddy. That was hot sauce.
Oh, Caillou, you must pay attention.
That is a hot dog.
Gilbert!
You're right, Caillou. I suppose it does.
Daddy!
What is it, Caillou?
It's just like the one from the parade. Can I get it? Please? No!
Okay.
That was the best parade ever! Right, Rosie? Right! I can't wait to show Gilbert my new balloon.
Oh, Caillou, you must pay attention.
Hey, have you guys played Dig and Build 2 yet?
Not yet.
There's a new one? What is it?
Yeah, in this one, you dig up dinosaur bones. Then you have to put the bones together to make a dinosaur skeleton. It's awesome.
My mommy's taking me to get it this afternoon with my allowance. I can't wait.
Mine too. Maybe we can go together. Caillou?
I don't think I can. I don't have any money.
Well, you better hurry, Caillou, or the store will run out.
Mommy? Daddy? I need some money to buy a game.
Well, Caillou, you know money doesn't grow on trees. You'll have to earn your extra money.
What do you mean?
Well, we'll give you an allowance to spend on whatever you like.
In exchange for you helping around the house doing some chores. That's called earning.
Okay. What do I have to do?
Let me think.
Here goes.
No! Whoa! Ew! Whoa, whoa! Easy, easy!
Okay, Caillou, let's see how much you've earned this week.
Is it enough? Is it?
Yes, Caillou, well done. We're very proud of all the work you did.
Yes! Dig and build! Let's go, let's go! Quick, Mommy, or they'll all be gone.
All right, all right.
Here! We got the last one!
You'd better buy it quick then, Caillou.
I did it! One, 2, 3 boxes of cookies. Done!
Not quite, Caillou. Mr. Hinkle gave you $5 for 5 boxes of cookies. You've only given him 3.
Yeah, That's not right, Caillou.
Oh, sorry. So you have 3. Here's 4 and 5.
Thank you very much, Caillou and Clementine.
Thanks, Mr. Hinkle. Wah! Have a nice day. Wow, we already sold 10 boxes of cookies today.
I wonder if we can sell 20
Or 30.
or 50.
Or 100.
What's happening, Mom?
Why is everyone yelling?
It's all right, you two. There's nothing to be afraid of. These people are marching.
Marching? Why?
People march when they're unhappy about something big and they want to change it. They march with signs to let the people in charge know how they feel.
Why are they shouting so loudly?
Yeah, what are they upset about?
Well, they want to get everyone's attention. This is a protest to stand up against racism.
What's racism?
Oh, Mommy told me. Racism is when people are mean to each other because of their skin color. Right, Mom?
That's right, Clementine. See, there was a time when you two wouldn't have been able to play together just because of the colors of your skin.
Really?
Yes, people with darker skin like me and Clementine were not allowed to do the same things as people with lighter skin, like you, Caillou. You two wouldn't have been able to swim together, or ride the bus together, or even eat at restaurants together.
But that's not fair.
Lots of people agreed, Caillou, so they all marched together just like this, and things changed and got better. So now you and Clementine can both play together and do all the same things.
Oh,
So marching is a good thing.
It is, Clementine. Sometimes people are still mean to people with darker skin, like us. So all these people are trying to make things better. And when lots of different people all come together like this, they can change the whole world.
wow!
Water! Free water!
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Oh, hi, Caillou. Hi, Clementine.
Hi, Jeffrey.
What are you doing with all that water?
Me and my parents are passing them out to thirsty people on the march.
That's so nice.
Hey, you two. Should we get back to selling cookies?
Well, some of the people marching look kinda hungry. Could we give them some cookies?
Oh, can we? Can we?
I think that's a wonderful idea. We can spare a few boxes.
Water! Water! Free water!
Cookies! Cookies! Free cookies! And before we take him home, I have to pack up all of Gerald's food and his favorite toys in my backpack. Oh, and his ball. Bye, Mommy.
Bye, Caillou. Tell Gerald I say hello.
Good morning, Gerald. Are you excited to come home with me today? I've made you a special area in my room by my bed. It's really nice and warm, and we can play all weekend in. Gerald? Are you still sleeping? It's time for school. Gerald? It's time to come out. Oh Gerald's gone! Gerald? Gerald! Gerald, come out!
Good morning, class. Let's all take our places for the... Oh, Caillou! What are you doing over there?
Gerald's missing.
Why don't you take your seat, Caillou, and I'll explain. All right, class. As you've realized already, Gerald isn't here anymore.
Where is he?
Gerald was a very happy hamster, but he was also very old. So I'm afraid last night, while he was sleeping, he died.
Died?
Yes, but he had a very long life and loved you all very much.
But it was my turn to bring him home. Don't worry, Caillou. You can just take him when he comes back.
Well, Leo, I'm sorry, but Gerald won't be coming back. When someone dies, they don't come back. So I'm afraid we won't see Gerald again.
I'm sorry about Gerald, Caillou. He had a good and happy life.
I know, but I'm really going to miss him.
Not hungry, Caillou? Not even for some ice cream?
Ice cream! No thanks. Can I be excused, please?
Ah, of course.
Mind if I join you? I'm sorry about Gerald, Caillou. I know he was your friend. But do you know what else I know? That you were his friend. You made him very happy. And neither of you will ever forget that.
But I won't get to see him or play with him or...
I know. But you'll always have the memories you shared. And good memories like those, well, they last forever. I think Gilbert's saying he'll play with you if you want.
Thanks, Gilbert.
Today, class, you can all draw anything you want, but it has to be something that makes you really happy.
I decided to draw Gerald because he was my friend. He's gone now, and we won't see him again, which is really sad. So I drew my favorite memory of him. My daddy says memories are forever. So now I'll always be able to look at this picture and remember Gerald and feel happy. Goodbye, Gerald. Whoa!
Caillou, dinner's ready.
That was awesome! Mommy, I want to learn karate! Hi-ya! Whoppa!
Settle down, you. You might hurt yourself.
Ya! Whoppa! Ya! Well, can I, Mommy? Please?
I don't see why not.
Karate! Hi-ya!
You look the part, Caillou.
I'm so excited!
Well, run along over there to the others. Class is about to start. I'll be right there.
All right, now we're gonna start with some basic moves today. Then we'll try something extra special.
Whoa!
First up, knee strike. Ich, knee, san, shi. Ich, knee, san, shi. Great. Next up, elbow strike. Ich, knee, san, shi. Ich, knee, san, shi. And now, karate chop.
Ich, knee, san, chi. Ich, knee, san, chi.
You okay there?
I can't do it.
So we go from here to here. See?
Oh,
Wow, you got it. Great job. Now, gather round, kids. I want to show you something.
oh,
I'm going to show you how to break a piece of wood in half using only your right hand.
whoa.
Karate chop.
Wow, cool. Oh, can we try?
Well, sure.
Yeah. I did it! Yeah! Did you see, Mommy?
And this one's for you, Caillou, because even though you struggled at first, you worked so hard, and in the end, you got it.
Ouch! That itches. How did that get there?
Wakey wakey, Caillou. Oh, good, you're up. We need to go and see Grandma.
Mommy, look! What is it?
Looks like a rash, Caillou.
A rash? Oh no! How did I get it?
I don't know, Caillou. But we'll have to figure it out before we go and see Grandma.
But why?
Well, if we don't know what gave you that rash, then we can't be sure Grandma won't get it too. We need to be safe.
Okay.
I know. Let's think about what you did yesterday and try to work out where the rash came from. Do you remember what you did?
Well, I went to the park with Daddy. Daddy, can I have some lemonade? We stopped to buy lemonade.
Excuse you.
Whoops. It was delicious. But I tripped and spilled it. Maybe it was the lemonade?
I don't think that's it, Caillou. You've had lemonade lots of times before. What else did you do after?
Nice to meet you. I met a friendly dog who kept licking my face. Mommy, maybe it was the dog?
But there's no rash on your face. Keep thinking. Where did you go next?
I just played with Teddy. We had a lot of fun. Ready for takeoff, Captain Teddy? Then Teddy landed in a big bush. But it was okay, because I rescued him. And we flew home together with him in my t-shirt.
Oh, Caillou! It sounds like maybe Teddy landed in some poison ivy, and then it got on your tummy.
Poison? Oh,
Don't worry. That's just the name of the plant. You'll be fine. A nice soothing bath will make you feel a lot better.
no.
All right, Caillou. Time to get out. And that's Teddy. Good as new.
So can we go and see Grandma now? She won't get sick.
I'm afraid not, Caillou.
But why?
Well, you can't go in your bathrobe, silly.
All right, class. Today we're going to have a pop quiz.
Aww.
Now, you know how hard we've been working on our numbers? Well, this is just a little test to see how much you've learned, or to see where you might need some extra help. It's nothing to worry about. Now, I'll read out the questions, and you just need to write the answers on your sheets. You can turn over your papers now. Question 1. How many apples do you see on the page?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Next, how many apples do I have if I add 2 more? If you're having trouble, draw the extra apples.
Oh, they're cheating. 4, 5, 6.
Question 3. If I take 5 apples away, how many are left? Next up are some questions about shapes. Now, how many sides does a square have?
Oh no, not shapes.
Next, can you draw a triangle? Caillou, were you looking at Leo's paper?
No, Mrs. Martin, I promise
I'll see you after class, Caillou. Great work, class. Now go on out for recess. Please hand your papers in to me on your way out. Not you, Caillou. Take a seat, please. Now, Caillou, do you understand why you failed the test? It's because you cheated, Caillou. And cheating is wrong, isn't it?
I didn't cheat, Mrs. Martin.
Then why were you looking over at Leo's paper?
I didn't mean to. I was...
Now, Caillou, it's okay to admit you made a mistake. We all make them sometimes. The important thing is to own up and do better in the future.
I'm not good at shapes, and I was worried I'd get the wrong answers. So, I cheated. I'm sorry.
Thank you for telling the truth, Caillou. You should never cheat, but you should always ask for help if you need it. If you're finding shapes hard, then I can give you some extra help in class, okay? How does that sound?
Yeah, I like that. Thanks, Mrs. Martin.
Good. Well, some of recess is left. Why don't you go out and play? Oh, and Caillou, maybe we can go through the test together later, without cheating.
Yes, Mrs. Martin.
Okay, Caillou, let's take that turn to the left and head back home.
Got it. Hey, Daddy, race you home.
Be careful, Caillou. It's a bit bumpy over there.
What?
Caillou!
Caillou. I'm Dr. Wen. We're just going to take a quick x-ray of your arm, okay? Well, Caillou, I'm afraid your arm is broken, so you'll need to be in a cast for 6 weeks.
6 weeks?
Now, I'm just wrapping some padding around your arm before we put on the plaster so it won't hurt. Now you need to hold very still until this is dry, okay, Caillou? Otherwise it won't work.
It's so heavy. It feels weird.
It'll feel a bit strange for a day or two, but I'm afraid it's the only way to make sure your arm gets better.
off your bike, so we're here to make you feel better. Yeah, and we brought loads of cool stuff.
There's markers, glitter, crayons, everything.
Wow, thanks, guys. Come on. Who wants to go first?
Ooh, I do.
Wow, I feel a lot better now that the cast looks so good. Thank you. I wish I had a cast.
Just over there, Caillou, next to the rest of them.
Thanks for building me a fort, Daddy. It's going to be the best ever.
That's okay, Caillou. You know, my dad made me a fort when I was about your age, too. All right. Toolbox, nails, workbench. I think we have everything. Where do you think we should build it, Caillou?
Too muddy there. Too many bugs in that bush. And too dark there. Oh! How about here?
This is a great spot. Here, Caillou, take the end of this. Okay, now pull it out that way until I say stop.
Yes, sir, Daddy, sir.
And stop.
Ah!
Go! Whoa! Here, Caillou.
Oh.
Safety first. We'll need to be careful with everything we use today.
Okay, Daddy.
Don't worry, Caillou. We'll have a fort built in no time. Whew, that was great teamwork, Caillou.
Fort Caillou! I love it! Thank you, Daddy!
What is it, Caillou?
Mommy, can I sleep in the fort tonight?
Oh, not alone. But maybe Daddy will camp out with you.
Oh, can we, please?
Okay, Caillou. We're all set in here, Caillou. You need anything else? Over.
No, thank you, Daddy. Over.
All right, Caillou. Good night. Over.
Good night.